So what's up guys, so yeah, this time we will unboxing Flash Sagittario 230 Spin Flash. So there it is, the launcher, then the rip card. This, as you can see there, so we will unbox it. Ow, that's it. So that is, here's here how you be a copy. So we just have this unbox. See, so this is the attack mode, and this the stamina mode. So how about let's do stamina mode. Let's see. Wow. There, and then there's the spin. Now there's the spin trap. Then there's ow. Ow. Two. There. Already box it. So the spin trap. That's it. Too tall. Since what? There and then this one.
Hindi pa sila kumain? No.
Just wait till there it is. And this
Akin na lang yung ulo na
the stick. This would look what happened. So I'm just wasting this. There's Sagittario. So I'm just this it's different.
What makes Will different from the other guys you met before?
What makes him different? Ang dami.
Oh, you just used the metal. Oh, yes. So there. Yeah, let's clean up. Here. Oh, looks like it.